11 people have been killed and many more are missing in Iran after parts of the country were engulfed in flash floods following a major storm in and around the capital, Tehran. Well, let's get more on this with BBC Weather's Phil Avery, who's here in the studio. Phil.
Thanks, Matthew. Yes, it's been a devastating 36 hours. The worst of the flooding happened in the provinces of Tehran, Kazvin and Owuor to the east of the capital, Tehran, from where these pictures emerged showing the dramatic scenes in Zirab on Monday. 4 large buildings shockingly collapsed and crumbled into a local river after the heavy rainfall. The force of the river was so great that the buildings were broken up and just swept away. A governor said that over 100 villages and 100 hectares of farmland had been completely destroyed in an area where soil erosion is recognised as being a significant problem. Reports also said that at least 20 cars, many with people trapped inside them, including a newly married couple, had been swept away. The region has been without electricity, gas and clean drinking water, and rescue workers, despite the continued rainfall, are working through day and through night as well.
The Lord has spoken with me about a very important event that's about to take place on the earth. I see floods, and a lot of floods come onto Iran. I see waves coming to splash on Iran. They are falling on Iran. They begin with the small waves, and I see a lot of people are running away. And then after that, the bigger waves, the huge waves now coming, and people are running away. Tremendous waves, and they are coming on land. The Lord is going to bring massive floods that are going to be touching on the nation of Iran.
Flash floods wreak havoc across Iran, killing nearly a dozen people. Heavy rain in northern Iran triggered flash floods over the weekend, which washed away cars, buildings, and people. Iranian state media said the flooding killed 11 people. More casualties are feared in the Tehran, Owuor, and Kazvin provinces. A Chinese national and 2 women were among the casualties. At least 20 cars were swept away by the runoff water, including several with passengers inside. Dozens more vehicles were reportedly damaged. The flooding has left northern Iran without electricity, and several buildings have collapsed under the deluge. Video footage shows infrastructure falling down and being washed away in the flooded streets. Landslides also damaged some of the area's farmland.
Now, as flash flooding sweeps through a village in Iran. This is in northern Iran, and the rushing water collapses homes right in front of us here. Look at this. 16 people are known dead, dozens still missing. In addition to these homes, the water swept away at least 25 cars as well. Goodness.
The Lord has spoken these things, that they may come to pass, that the earth may gradually mature towards the coming of the Messiah. For those who have ears, please just prepare for the coming of the Lord. Shalom.